These two stocks I'm about to show you will actually give you minimum of 50% returns on your portfolio if you per adventure decide to put a good unit of your dollar into this stock. And right now the stock is currently down, and I'm going to do some detailed analysis for you so that you see when we are buying and how to trade this particular stock. And there are a lot of information you need to know about iRobot. We'll look at the income statement, do some few checkout on the income statement and why this is a buy. And guys, without wasting our time, my name still remains Investor Joe, and you are welcome to the Financial Freedom channel. In this channel, we teach you how to invest in Nigerian stocks, and also how to invest in foreign stocks, and also how to invest in real estate. So guys, let's move on into today's video. So we jumped straight into trading view. So this is a monthly chart, and if you look at the monthly chart, you'll see that the details is here. And what are we getting from these details? We are getting a support here. So if you look very well, you see that we are currently at support region. So if this support is broken, I think we'll see iRobot going as low as 4, and God knows when it's going to find another support. But so far, this support has been strong. It came to this place around April, that's 2024, and it bounced back, came to this place again around September 2024 and bounced back, and came back around November, and it bounced back. And currently February is now down also, which I think is a buying opportunity. So the last time we experienced this was let's look at it again, was November 2008, which I think is the stock market crash. So we see another one here, March 2009, and before we see the company taking up again. So the company is actually in a sector that we think we get some investors interest. So this is the monthly chart, and you can see how the stock has been hovering around this area. So let's quickly jump into the weekly chart so that we'll see how to go into this stock. So if you come to the weekly chart, you actually see that we've been ranging in this area. We came to this place and we face some resistance. That's resistant 1. We came to this place again and we face another resistance. That's resistant 2. And we came to this place and we face another resistance. That's resistant 3. So if you're familiar with technical analysis, you know that the fourth resistance, it will be broken. It's just like you are eating something always. So you are eating something always with a greater force. You know one day it's going to break. But in terms of technical analysis, we always expect the fourth to actually break it. And if you see, the ranging is actually an equal range, in the sense that it's not an expansion or contraction, and that tells you that something is happening. And if you check this area, you will see that people are actually taking position, and that's why I'm bringing it to you early so that you can take advantage of it. So if we scroll down, we'll see that on the weekly chart we're still getting the same chart. So when we get to the daily, we have to isolate every other candle. So we have to isolate it and focus on this area. Then we'll go to the 4 hours and see how our trade is going to do, because our entry is based on the 4 hours. So all-time high so far is 197. Can it happen? I don't know. Let's just watch as the company make progress. So let's move to the daily chart. So the daily chart will give us good insight. So now we are at the daily chart. So from the daily chart, you see we couldn't get all these, so we don't want a situation. Okay, let me expand the screen. So we don't want a situation where we have to be struggling and all that. So let's just focus on this area. So if you look at this area now, you get a proper view of what the market is doing and how we've been trading it. So for your information, I've been trading this with my community. We've been making good money from it. We've been riding it. So I just decided to bring this so that you'll be able to take advantage of the market. So right now you can see when this one was coming down, there is no any green candle. There's no any blue candle. And when blue candle came, we see the push. Same thing happened here. But right now, you see there's a bit of blue candle, which is green, before popping up. And we see the same also we see a little two red candle, which is black. If you watch my technical analysis video, I told you guys that I actually use the blue to represent green and the black to represent red, so that it will help your psychology. So if you see this other part here now, you see this one is coming down, and we're hopeful that on Monday it's going to pick up, and that will be a good sign. So let's quickly jump to let's jump to 4 hours, and let's look at some movement, so that we will know what we are currently doing. So if you look at the 4 hours, you see the 4 hours too is giving us a proper detail. So these are the common movement that has been going on in the market. So I want you to enter at this price. If you see it below, fantastic. Go in on Monday and reach out to me, like send me a message or drop a comment, so that I'll be able to do another video to let you guys know, okay, we've taken profit, or this is the right time to take profit, so that it will help you grow your portfolio. I don't want a situation where you buy, I won't know that you guys are buying with me, and I will go and sell and I won't inform you guys. So I want you guys to be very, very smart. Drop a comment that I'm buying. Drop, even though if you're not buying, you want to watch it and you want me to do, just drop a comment, so that I'll be able to know that, okay, I'm not alone riding this ship. So you can see this is perfect entry, and look at it long time, we are good to go. Look at it short time, we are good to go, and look at it medium time, we are good to go. So that is why I want you guys to look at it very well. So let's look at some information about this particular stock. Let's come here, and this is iRobot. So you can see we have a volume of 1.2 million, which is fine. That is with 100,000. You can actually, with $100,000, you can actually go in and make some money. Average volume is 1.6, and the market cap intraday is 234 million. Guys, penny stock, guys. Still not penny stock, so to speak, because penny stock is $5 below, but I think is a small cap stock. So look at it and look at the bid and ask, and there are some few news around the stock. So let's look at Google Finance. So when you come to Google Finance, you're able to see day range, see market cap. Let's look at it. So iRobot Corporation is an American technology company that designs and builds consumer robots. It was founded in 1990 by 3 members of MIT Artificial Intelligence Lab, who design robots for space exploration and military defense. So the company products include a range of autonomous home vacuum cleaners. Fantastic. You know what, that thing that used to clean home, then floor moppers and other autonomous cleaning device. A planned takeover deal by Amazon for 1.7 billion announced in August 2022 collapsed in January 2024 amid antitrust scrutiny by the European Commission. So this is some information that they put out there, and who knows if this collapse January 24, who knows, maybe they are still in talks on how to actually consolidate, or how to actually make this come to pass by this news that Amazon want to pay 1.7 billion for it. After all, the market cap is 239 million, so I think it's a good bargain. So if we look at these are the products they sell, and of course, you know, all these things are what is trending right now. So if you look at the income statement, we'll see that the revenue increased 3% and operating expenses dipped 50%, which is cool. They're trying to minimize. Then we have net income jumped 91% and net profit margin was 92%. So earnings per share, fantastic, was 3 cents, which is like 101%. And we saw the EBITDA, which is 128%. So I think with this, we are good to go, not minding what the balance sheet is actually saying, because they're actually growing. Asset is still more than liability. So, and we see the cash flow so far. 2023 was kind of huge compared to others. But if you see the net income, look at cash from operating, cash from investing, cash from financing, kind of negative though, and free cash flow 72. So free cash flow 72. So guys, I think iRobot for me is a buy, and if you want to trade like me, if you're looking at just 50%, you're fine. If you're a short-time trader, long-time trader, you can decide to hold until you want to sell. I can't tell you when to sell if you're a long-time holder, because you can see the all-time high. So 50% from here, we mean that the price get to 1169, which I think 12 will be fine. So when you get to 12, you can decide to go with your 50%. And if you think you want to ride it to 16, which will make it 100%, is fine. But I think he's going to face some resistance. And the funny part is the resistance is going to face, let's just say it's face 1, 2, 3. So the fourth resistance, let's see if he's going to break it too, just like I proposed. So if he's able to break it, I think the next resistance will be around 1820 region. That will be the next resistance, and I think that will be a good area to watch. That will be a good area to watch because from the look of things, these sectors are kind of hot this period. So they are kind of hot. So we want to pay attention to see how we can take advantage of this. But like I said, just decide if you take 50% from these, you can actually make more again. So you can take another 50% from other stocks and all that, or you just take your initials and you leave the rest to ride, or you take your initials and capital, then you leave the rest to ride. So that has always been the strategy of profit taking. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell so that I get notified anytime I post enriching videos like this. So the second one I want to introduce to you guys is actually unique also. Let me show you guys that one. So that one is Kit. That is Nauticus Robotics. So I'm giving you 2 robotic stocks right now, and I think it's a good time and it's a good one for you to pay attention. And the beautiful thing is I'm actually giving you all these things at the best price. Like, they are bottom, you understand, they are bottom, and that is the best place to buy a stock. You can see this is a monthly chart, and Robotics so far, this was the listing price, and you can see from this price that it has actually dipped. That is massive loss of value, guys. Imagine those that bought at this area. Oh, sorry for them, guys. I hope they recover. So if you're buying here, those are bought here, in fact. So now is another time for you to key in. You understand? Now is another time for you to key in into this and take position. So once you take proper position here, you'll be able to make good profit. So this is a monthly chart. So if you come to a weekly chart right now, we'll see what the weekly chart is currently doing. So for instance, you can see, guys, we are still at the support. So we will look at this area, this core area here. This area too can serve as a resistance when the market starts to show love to Kit. So this area can serve as a resistance also. So let's look at the daily chart so that we'll come to this core area that we want to go in. So let's come to this place and see the area we are taking position. So far, Kit has been hovering in this area here, and as you can see, Kit has been hovering here, and this is our entry price. I want you to go in below 169. That is the current price right now. You go in below 160, and guys, you're going to thank me, you're going to appreciate me, and you're going to thank yourself for coming across my video. So far, you can see volume has started building up here, and this is a good sign that the stock is about to wake up. So I want you guys to go in early before the stock will start pumping up. So if you're able to take position now, you're able to celebrate when this stock, even a 2x, a 3x, a 4x. Imagine you go in here, which is 169, and you are now selling at 350 or 4. That would be interesting. And if you can ride it to 6, for you to know this stock got to this price, look at it here, 6. So if you are getting in now, you're getting a good bargain. So if we want to look at Kit and see what Kit is actually doing, let's come to this place and let's see if we're able to get some details about Kit. So this is it. So let's see if they let's see if there are some news that will support it. So this is injective protocol to launch S&P 500 index on injective protocol. Are you serious? To launch S&P 500 index? Meta and this is not what that is not why we're here. Okay, let's look at the income statement. So you see, they are not actually making good money compared to iRobot. You see, they are not making that kind of money. But the bottom line is, based on their chart, we've made money with this kit. If you're part of my community, you will know what I'm talking about. We've made money from kits. We've made more than 200, 500%. A member in my community made close to 500%. He bought kit when it was, I think, 25 kobo or 14 cents. Sorry for using kobo, 14 cents. And this stock rise to 120, 160 something. So this is another good one to pay attention to. So if you see the year range, it has ranged from 82 to 15, and the day range is 156. So look at the possibility of this. So this is just to draw your attention to see how you can make money from this market and see how you can take position. So these two stocks are for you guys to actually take position as we plan to see the robotic race. And I think the robotic race is going to be massive, and we'll be able to make good returns from it. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to share it with your friends so that you not make this money alone, so that you'll be able to share with your friends. So share my YouTube channel. We have 3 subscribers. I hope before the next video we are going to have maybe 10 or 20 or 50 or 100 subscribers. So let's grow together and let's make money together. So thank you guys. Until I come your way again, keep growing money without tears and keep helping the society. Thank you so much for watching, and to Ed, salute. Bye.